Dear members of the engineering and medicine and biology community, my name is Emilio Sacristan and I am the chair of the organizing committee for the 2021 Engineering and Medicine and Biology Conference of the IEEE. Thank you for your patience while we determine the best venue for the EMBC 2021. The EMBS leadership, executive committee, and the EMBC organizing committee have been working together to balance the needs of our membership with the health concerns created by the lingering pandemic. Our main challenge is uncertainty with regard to the health and travel conditions in the fall of this year. Our current plan is to hold an in-person conference on October 31st through November 4th of this year in Guadalajara, Mexico. Authors who are unable to travel will be able to submit a recording of their presentation or use an e-poster. 4-page conference papers will still be published and citable in PubMed as peer-reviewed publications, and papers can be withdrawn at no cost or penalty up to the start date of the conference. This plan allows you as an author to submit to EMBC 2021 and defer the decision to attend in person, provide a pre-recorded presentation, or withdraw. We encourage you to contribute a conference paper to EMBC 2021. As planning continues and we learn more, we are also considering possibly offering live sessions with virtual attendance or moving to a fully virtual conference. Please let us know what you think through our social media, and thank you for your interest in this conference. Hope to see you in Guadalajara in November.